What's going on, everybody? This is Rabia again. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change an eye color in Photoshop. So let's begin by our original photo and go to Quick Selection Tool and start selecting the eye area. Make sure it is by the lash line and it doesn't cover a lot of it. Whoops. So I'm going to just roughly select it. Okay, this is good, looking good. All right, and now I'm gonna go to the second eye and press shift and then start doing this again. What pressing shift does is basically it adds the other selection into the group so you don't lose the previous selection right here. All right, that looks good, I think. And now go to image, adjustments, and hue and saturation. Okay, now we have this. You want to press this colorize button and now it's gonna do the magic. So once you start dragging this, you're gonna see the shift in color like this. And let's say we want to do blue, right? So where'd the blue go? Here. Okay, so when we're gonna go into the blue and we can play with the lightness and saturation. So I'm going to increase the lightness. And now I'm going to play with the saturation. Whoops, that's too light. I'm going to go a little deeper. Okay, I'm going to play with the lightness here. Okay, I think this is what I want to achieve. Okay, Command D to deselect. And now we are going to clean up. Go to the Smudge Tool and start smudging. Clean up this corner. Now I don't like this white blotch, so I'm going to use Spot Healing Tool and conceal that. Okay, now go to your second one and do the same thing again, Smudge Tool, and start blending in. Blend, blend, blend. If you want your photos to look realistic, you gotta spend good amount of time blending in. Right now I'm not because I'm doing a tutorial, but if I were to do this for a project, I would spend a lot more time blending in. So this is how you can achieve the change of eye color. What I like about this method is that you do not lose the depth of an eye. There's a light and a lot of detail that you do not lose, and you are able to change the color at the same time. I love this method and make sure you guys try this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.